Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Honda HR-V, powered by a 1.8 liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency and with all-wheel drive capabilities, so you're going to be able to get around pretty well in the changing weather conditions. But let's take a look inside. First, looking into the back, we have a relatively spacious cargo area that can always be expanded by folding down your rear seats, and you do have a nice cargo cover and a cargo mat to keep the whole area kind of a bit cleaner. And then looking into the back seat, where you have very spacious seating for three with a cup holder and a 12-volt power outlet there in the middle. And then looking into the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 134,460 kilometers. And moving down to the steering wheel, on the right-hand side, you have your cruise controls, and on the left, you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, as well as your controls for cycling through your information here. Or, sorry, actually this is the button to do that for your trip A and B mileage, as well as your fuel range, fuel economy, oil life. You can look at all of that. To the left of the steering wheel, here you have your active eco mode, so you can save some fuel. Traction control shut off, and I believe your heated wiper park. But then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is, if we just check our audio sources here, you have radio, CD, USB, iPod USB, Bluetooth, and HDMI, so you have quite a few options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. You have your phone controls, your info. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you can see where you're going and hopefully avoid hitting anything. And then moving down from that, you have your climate controls here. You do have heated front seats with 2 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then up here you have your hazards, and moving on you have your main shifter, very convenient. Parking brake, brake hold, 2 cup holders, and then down below here is where you have all of your outlets, such as your 2 USBs, HDMI, and a 12-volt power outlet right there. And then moving on, you have your sort of armrest here, which can be slid back and forth to your choosing, and you have a small center compartment there for whatever storage you want to put in there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.